Poverty and hunger. Introduction. What is my NDG goal? My Millennium Development Goal is to eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. Defining my goal. What does it seek to measure? Eradicating extreme poverty and hunger focuses on poverty and hunger, and how the number of people starving and homelessness must be stopped, and direct and immediate access to food by the neediest should be done. Targets. The top 3 important targets. To halve the proportion of people whose daily income is less than $1.25. To achieve full and productive employment as well as decent work from all, including young people and women. To halve the proportion of individuals suffering from hunger in the period between 1990 and 2015. Target 1. All development regions has accomplished the objective of splitting the amount of people living in outrageous poverty and hunger. Sudan is located in Africa. Is one of the most poorest country in the world, which people living on less than $1 and less than 250 per capita per year. Due to this, most of the population live under hard conditions. Target 2. The quantity of workers living in extraordinary poverty has reduced altogether in the course of recent years, regardless of the worldwide financial emergency. In 1991, almost 50% of laborers in creating countries made due on a family unit salary of $1.25 per individual every day. In 2015, the rate has dropped to 11%, which means a 66% decrease in the quantity of amazingly poor laborers, from 900 million to 300 million, somewhere in the range of 1991 and 2015. Target 3. Stunning wasting are the cause of death for children, mostly under 7 years of age. The extent of underweight children has declined from 28% to 17% throughout the years of 1999 and 2013. Communicating the issues that relate to this goal. What issues can stop us from achieving our goal? Natural disasters such as floods, tropical storms, and droughts are making hunger and poverty rates increase throughout the years, which makes it harder for people to live. And with not having money to purchase food for any of their needs. What could happen if the goal is not achieved? If the goal is not achieved, then the number of poverty and hunger would increase, and people throughout the world would have the same issues as the developing countries, and the human well-being would also be affected. We as a congregation should have the right to work together and help everyone who is in need. The goal should be achieved so people can have freedom to do anything they want, such as live in a suitable place, and should have their meals daily, so they would live. Process which has been made. The World Bank Group is committed to fight poverty and hunger in all its dimensions. They are currently helping farmers grow more food and to increase rice and crops to be able to help the poor and decrease the hunger rates throughout the world. Statistics. 1 in 7 people are hungry. 1 1/3 of food is wasted. Nearly 1 in 8 people experience hunger. That's 870 million people worldwide. Case study. According to InfoPlease, Nigeria is one of the countries that has poverty and hunger issues. The World Bank has been trying to work on stopping poverty that are currently happening. Funding projects that can have transformative impact on countries like Nigeria. They are getting farmers to produce more crops and also wheat to make bread with. Through their project, which is helping, we can consider that the goal is met. Here is my bibliography. Thank you guys.